Exercise 6.1, question number 11. A particle acted on by constant forces, 1 and 2 forces are given, is displayed from the point this to the point this. Find the total work done by the forces. Now see here, a particular particle is moved from this point to this point. Okay, this has been moved because of these two forces. Can you understand? Now we have to find how much work is done, right? First of all, we have to check how many forces acting on the particular particle. 2 forces. So we have to name the 2 forces. Just I have named the forces as F1 vector as this vector and F2 vector as this vector. Now you have to add the 2 forces to find the force vector. So force vector is equal to F1 vector plus F2 vector. So I am adding the 2 vectors, 2 forces. So 8 plus 4 is 14 I cap. 2 plus 2 is 4 j cap. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 k cap. Now there are 2 more vectors we have to find. What are the 2 more vectors? I'll explain that. Now the object, that means the particular particle, moved from this point to this point. Okay, so consider this as A point and this as B point. Now we have to find, taking this as A point, we have to find OA vector. So OA vector is nothing but just add I cap, j cap and k cap. Similarly here OB vector is I cap, j cap and k cap to be added. So adding that I will show you. See here, this is OA vector and this is OB vector. Now we have to find the displacement. Okay, and how to find the displacement I will say. So displacement vector D vector is equal to AB vector. AB vector is nothing but OB vector minus OA vector. So what is OB vector? This vector, and OA vector is this vector. Just change the sign and write because it is minus. So minus this vector. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 I vector, I cap. 4 minus 2 is 2 j cap. And 1 minus 3 is 2 k cap. And this is the displacement vector. Now we have to find the total work done. So work done, W is equal to force vector dot displacement vector, that is F vector dot D vector, and this is the F vector. See here, this is the F vector which is written, and dot D vector is here, it is written. And you know how to find the dot product between 2 vectors. Previously we learned in 11th standard. So how to find? Just multiply the coefficient of like vectors. So I cap and I cap. So both I cap coefficient has to be multiplied. So 14 into 4 plus now j cap and j cap. So 4 into 2. So 4 into 2. Now k cap and k cap. So minus 8 into minus 2. So 14 into 4 is 56. 4 into 2 is 8. Minus 8 into minus 2 is 16. So when you add all these things, you will get 80 units. So total work done is nothing but it is 18 units. That's all. Thank you.